5 ways to look expensive. Always iron your clothes. What could look more expensive than a clean, well-ironed white shirt? Remove the straps from the brand, even if they match perfectly in color. Always clean hair. Dirty hair can ruin the most expensive image. Always fresh manicure. Don't make excuses that you don't have the money. You can do it yourself. Say no to the pellets on the clothes. There are many ways to remove it.
How to look expensive on a budget. Number 1. Black tends to look more sophisticated than lighter colors, and it's great to hide the quality of your garment. If you don't want to go all black, keeping it monochrome and black and white is also a safe bet. Number 2, make sure your pieces fit well. Not too tight, not too loose. A good fit will instantly elevate your outfit. Number 3, swap your branded sneakers for dress shoes or boots. Personally, I'm a big fan of black Chelsea boots. They're super versatile and make your outfit look that much more sophisticated. Number 4, tuck in your shirt to give your outfit a neater look. 5, add an outer layer. An unstructured jacket or peacoat are both great to sharpen your outfit. And finally, add some subtle jewelry. Less is more here. All you need is a ring or two, a minimal bracelet, and maybe a chain peeking out at your neckline. And remember, you don't need designer brands or the latest hype sneakers to look sharp. Sometimes less is more.
Oh